parents have asked me to dust our hardwood steps. When we dust, we can use a sock, a swiffer sheet, or an old dryer sheet that has already been through the dryer. So now let's start to dust. What we want to do is we could use either of these materials. If we're going to use the sock, we can put our hand inside of it so that it's easier. Then we're going to dust and swipe all of the little items that might be on the step over to the corner. Then we're going to swipe it down to the next step, like this. Then we'll move down, and we'll do it again. We could do this with a different item too. We could use our swiffer sheet. Move it all to one corner, and then slide it down. Move it all the way down. Now, let's try using our dryer sheet. Move it to the corner and swipe it down. Now, let's collect all of our dust. And swipe it to the edge, and we can use a couple of different things. Just swipe it off, and then you'll go empty this out over the trash can. Good job!